game.
Video.
Filipino Family Club International Inc. Worldwide and Filipino Family Club International Inc. Laguna Chapter. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby granted to Miss Catherine Kate D. Samaniego, School Head Teacher of San Pedro National High School, for the partnership in the Community Outreach FFCI Agapay Program Malasakit sa Inang Kalikasan by Filipino Family Club International Laguna Chapter, given this 8th day of June 2023, signed by Ms. Clarita Di Mayuga, FFCI Laguna Chapter, and Mr. Eloise Batalan, FFCI Worldwide President. Thank you very much, ma'am. Okay.
You are not Marcos Scammer!
Ako ay ex-convict, convicted criminal at scammer. Ako ay ex-convict, convicted criminal at scammer.